Good morning. Thank you for joining us at our Bradley Elementary Open House. Welcome. I will give us some introductions as to our Bradley staff and our early childhood staff, and then I will get started with some information about our school and our program. I would like to first introduce you to our school staff. Mrs. Thea Jackson Byers is our building principal. Miss LaRonda Brown and Miss Hadia Lisco are our school secretaries. Next, I will introduce you to our early childhood department staff. Hi, I'm Rachel Ademczyk. I am the supervisor of early childhood. We have with us today Miss Shannon and Miss Jessica. They are our preschool instructional coaches. Also part of our early childhood department are Miss Joanne Moore. She is the administrative assistant. If you call the early childhood department, she is most likely who you will be in direct contact with. Miss Lazaire Boston is our community parent involvement specialist. And then our floats teachers here at Bradley are Miss Katie and Miss Donna. A little bit about our programming here at Bradley. I'm going to talk specifically about preschool and kindergarten, since that's what you're here to see today. Our preschool offers a full day preschool program. We currently have 6 preschool classes. We have 1-to-1 ratio for iPads in all of our pre-K classrooms. We have a playground coming soon. We have free before and after care. We offer a free summer enrichment program. If you enroll your children in preschool before the school year is over, you will be eligible to attend our preschool program, even if your child is not eligible to attend until next school year. We offer all of our meals in the classroom. The students eat breakfast and lunch provided by school free of charge in the classroom, and a snack is offered daily. And we have daily gross motor. On days where it is nice outside, starting in late spring, we will be able to use our brand new playground. On inclement weather or cold weather days, we use our indoor space. For kindergarten, there are many similarities. It is also a full day program. We currently have 3 kindergarten classes. They have 1-to-1 ratio for iPads. They also have headphones for iPad use. The playground, which is coming soon. Also before and after care, a summer enrichment program. Their meals in kindergarten are a little bit different, is they eat breakfast in the classroom every day, and then lunch is in the cafeteria. They have daily specials that they attend and daily recess. A little bit about our preschool curriculum. We utilize creative curriculum. We move through different units of study. We are currently in buildings. We've done pet study. We've done clothing. We will move on to reduce, reuse, recycle. We even have a summer program getting ready for kindergarten that will be used during our summer program. We use Teaching Strategies Gold as our ongoing assessment piece that ties into our curriculum. We use Second Step as our social emotional learning component. And we use a district-created early childhood inventory, which is an additional assessment piece to see how our young learners are progressing through the school year. Our kindergarten curriculum is different. We utilize Journeys as our reading curriculum, into math as the math curriculum, into science, iReady, which is a supplemental program for both reading and math that the students use daily, and Linkit, which is our online testing platform. We are a uniform district. We offer 1 free uniform for every family that enrolls in preschool and kindergarten. Here at the elementary level, which is preschool through 3rd grade, our uniform is a Columbia blue top with navy bottoms. This is our brand new playground. This is under construction and is to be completed sometime this spring. Here's a sample schedule. All of our schedules differ slightly depending on the classroom or the school, but all include the same components. And so each day, your child will come to school and have breakfast. Again, depending on which classroom schedule they follow, they may have gross motor first, or one of their small groups or choice time. But this schedule runs us through, we'll have breakfast, followed by gross motor, which is 40 minutes. They'll have their morning group meeting, small group instruction with their classroom teacher and classroom aide, read aloud, choice time, sorry about that. Then there is a read aloud, lunchtime, a 1 hour rest time, and then in the afternoon there's an additional choice time, an additional read aloud, and an additional PM group meeting. Thank you very much for joining us today. I hope you enjoy your classroom visits.
Do you know what these are? This is called ribbon, orange ribbon. Let's take a look at the ribbons. What do you notice about them? They're soft. Different sizes.
Let's look at scissors. Okay.
Is scissors the same as yours? Let's compare them. Are they the same? Put it on the table next to your hands. Put it on the table. Are they the same? No.
¿Cuántos hay? Todos son grandes,
Yours is longer. Layla, can you compare yours with Kimberly's? Line yours up next to it.
Es chiquito.
Let's see. Are they the same?
I do different like skills,
Yes.
how to kick a ball, all that kind of
Because
stuff
these are
too
things
as
they
well.
don't know about.
Yep.
He knows about
Right,
it.
which chair you prefer?
Whichever you want to do.
Okay, well, we could go through the presentation. Yeah. And so I'm Rachel Adams, Miss Jess.
If you see on the
Other
back,
members of our
see
early
right here,
childhood
there's a little
department.
sideways
Miss
Mickey
Joanne
Mouse
is
head
our
on this white one with the black on the tail.
Miss Lizaire Boston is our community
That's a
parent
Mickey
involvement
Mouse.
specialist. Often people just think preschool, but we really focus on preschool.
I have only
Third grade, that's currently what our two program, and if your child enrolls for next school year before June, they're eligible. And so it's a few hours each day, but we utilize our curriculum during the summer as enrichment and support. And so please note that if your child will check through the year where the teachers collect data on the students
Delicious.
and report it out. Yes, that is planned to be completed this spring. And so we are really looking forward to that. Our little learners are really excited. Oh, yes. Yeah, twins, they're fine. They're having fun. The crew is, they're good.
I know you keep it down.
5, 6, 7, 8, eating. On her way. Okay, the lights are already on.
In about 15-minute cleanup. It took. Right here. You're gonna sign in on the blue piece, and once it gets more yellow, then we're gonna add our oil to it.
Mine isn't even yellow yet.
It's not yellow yet.
No,
Can I feel it? What does it feel like?
It feels like slippery because
It
it's
feels
a baby.
slippery because why?
Because we did baby.
Oh, it does feel very slippery.
Try to make it like
Amelia, does it feel a little bit
our food coloring.
Okay, and so what do you do with the food coloring?
We put it in our little cups and we mixed it.
Oh, I love that. And so what ingredients did you use to make this slime? You told me you used baby oil and you used food coloring. What else did you use?
Our magic solution.
Your magic solution.
That's what it is.
And I see something else on the table. Did you use something else?
Baking soda.
Baking soda. And what about this? Did you use this too?
We're about to use it.
Oh, you're about to use that?
Wait, did we already use that?
No.
What was our first ingredient that we used?
Oh,
That was the first ingredient.
you said you had another one.
Yes, we finished this one, and then we have an extra in case we need it. But more kids didn't come, so we don't need it now. And how impressed I am with them is that I highlighted underneath the first letter, and then on their own they remembered to choose the correct color marker to put their initial. So I thought that was so great. And later we're going to count and decide, which one had to be exposed and this and that, and then discover what the answer is after the experiment. But I thought that was so great.
Is someone that you know well. An unknown person is someone you do not know.
Ah, okay, your turn. Say it again. Let me say. Let's say. Did you get it? 10. That's a 10 pen. Did you get it? Yes. All right. This will have to be our last one. Okay? Check and see. Is he fixing the cars? Did you get it right? Nice job. What you have? What you say? You have to squeeze the clip.